My name is Andy with AudioCityUSA, and today we're going to be covering the 15 best wheels for the Ford F-150. Now, as we all know, the Ford F-150 is a beloved truck here in the US. It is one of the most popular vehicles, and that's why today we're going to be covering the 15 best wheels that you can put on the Ford F-150. We're going to cover off-road, we're going to cover on-road, and we're going to cover a variety of different budgets to suit your needs. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, why would you want to replace the wheels on a Ford F-150? If it's built Ford tough, they got it right the first time, but not always, because mass market wheels that come from factory are not designed with everything in mind. They have to do a little bit of on-road, a little bit of off-road, and not really specialized in anything. So swapping out your wheels is one of the best things you can do. You're going to get enhanced performance, like I said, based on the use case for it. If you're on-road or off-road, you're going to have a wheel that is better suited to those needs. You're also going to change it up and give it some personalized flair. All F-150s from the factory come with a very similar set of wheels. Picking a set of custom wheels is really going to make your truck stand out. And that's one thing that I think is certainly worthwhile. And not only that, you're also going to get better reliability and better durability. Again, depending on the application you need, but buying a set of purpose-built off-road wheels is going to make sure that those wheels last and that you're able to achieve all the things you want to do in that truck. Now, some factors you need to consider when picking up some wheels for your F-150 are going to be wheel size. So whether you want to keep it on the road, you might want a bigger rim and a lower profile tire, and that's going to give you better fuel economy. It's also going to look better, in my opinion, for a street application, versus whether you want to go off-road, you're going to want a smaller diameter rim, much meatier mud tires. That may worsen gas mileage slightly, but the off-road benefit is going to be 10 times better. So keep that in mind. You also want to go with your truck's finish options. Again, maybe you want something powder coated in gunmetal or powder coated in like a olive green or something, or maybe you want a gloss finish, whether it's gloss black or you want brushed silver or whatever you want. You got to keep in mind the finish options that are going to work with your truck's overall appearance. Now, you also want to consider your driving style. I mentioned this a little bit earlier, but whether you're going to take it off-road or on-road, driving style is something you absolutely need to keep in mind, because depending on the kind of driving you're doing is going to depend entirely on the wheel setup that you pick. Now, without further ado, let's get into the 15 best wheels for this truck. Now, starting at number 1, we've got the Ginelli Carbo Gloss Black wheels. Now, these have a floating center cap and they have great on-road presence. It's a really good looking wheel at a great price, and I think it suits the F-150 spectacularly, especially for these on-road applications. Number 2, we've got the 26-inch Coco Couture Capon Gloss Black wheels. Again, in keeping with the gloss black theme, these wheels have great on-road presence and a slightly different price point. I think if you're going to drive an F-150 on the street and it's a black truck, a set of wheels like this look fantastic. Number 3, we have the 20-inch Lock Off-Road 50 cal matte black with black ring. These wheels are perfect for off-road applications. I would say it's more of a hybrid situation because you have that simulated beadlock, but you put a set of Nitto Ridge grapplers on this thing and your F-150 is ready for the dirt or the trails. Great set of wheels, great hybrid application for on and off-road use. Next up, we've got the 26-inch Coco Couture Capon wheels in chrome. If you have a white truck or any kind of truck with a different color than black, these chrome wheels will look fantastic. In at number 5, we have the Dolce Trento 24-inch wheels with floating center cap. Very similar to before, the floating center cap is going to give that F-150 some serious road presence. People are going to think it's a lot more expensive than it actually is, and it's a great way to show off your truck, especially if you're daily driving it and you're keeping it on the street. Floating center caps are great, and these Dolce Trentos are a fantastic choice. Next up at number 6, we have the 22-inch XVR off-road insane wheels in chrome. Now, these wheels are a fantastic show truck wheel. Let's say you have ridiculous huge lift on your F-150. These wheels are gonna match that aesthetic and really make your truck stand out. In at number 7, we have the 24-inch Hard Rock H700 in gloss black. This is a great wheel, again, for that show truck kind of look. Gloss black, milled finish, so you have that exposed alloy, and it's got that simulated beadlock. Great show truck wheel. I know a lot of guys want to put LED lights around their brakes or in the wheel wells. This is the kind of wheel that's going to catch that light and really make your truck pop. In at number 8, we have the 20-inch Fuel Contra in gloss black with red accents. So if you have a truck in red or black, or you have certain elements of your truck you want to stand out, these wheels are absolutely great. They have that red touch to it and they really stand out. looks totally different than stock, and it's going to make your truck look custom. In at number 9, we have the 22-inch TIS 544BM. These are a really popular set of wheels here at Audio City USA. We sell an absolute ton of these, and that's for a reason. Super popular custom wheel choice for the Ford F-150. Couldn't recommend this enough. In at number 10, we have the 20-inch Lock Off-Road Crawler in matte gray. This is a really awesome gunmetal aesthetic kind of wheel to go with a more tactical F-150. Simulated beadlock, 20-inch wheels, great hybrid application for on and off-road use. In at number 11, we have the 22-inch Lexani off-road forged wheels, the Insane. This is a great forged wheel. Now, it's going to be a little bit more on the pricey side, but you are getting that forged build quality, and that means these are going to be super durable wheels. If you've got a huge show truck with massive custom elements on it, whether it's suspension or whether it's anything else, this forged wheel is going to have the strength and durability you need for that truck. Similarly, you could use this in a more hybrid application. I would say it's more of a soft road wheel, but with that forged durability, there's really nothing better than a set of 22-inch Insanes by Lexani Off-Road. In at number 12, we have the 20-inch XVR1 off-road Karma wheels. Gloss black, milled, absolutely gorgeous wheel. This is a newer wheel that we've got here at Audio City USA, and it's got really intricate details. If you can see this wheel, check it out. It's got some really cool elements to it that make your truck look unique. People are going to look twice when they see this coming down the road. And at number 13, we have the 22-inch Fuel Assault wheels. These wheels are great off-road wheels. Fuel has been around for ages, and they're one of the leaders in the game when it comes to off-road wheels. They know what they're doing, and this set of wheels absolutely speaks to that. Great off-road application, can take pretty much whatever punishment you have for it. I also think it looks great, and it's really got that kind of aggressive off-road look. And at number 14, we have the 26-inch Giovanna Di Ciotto gloss black wheels. This is a super premium luxury wheel. It's going to make that truck look ultra premium. This is the kind of wheel you'll see on a European luxury sedan, but it fits just as well on an F-150, and it's going to give that truck some serious road presence and street credibility with the floating center cap. Definitely an on-road wheel. You wouldn't want to take this off-road. However, it is highly durable and perfect for pavement crawling. In at number 15, we have the 26-inch Azad AZ V02 in rose gold. This is a really special wheel that is absolutely going to stand out. On an F-150, this is going to come with some serious road presence in rose gold of all colors as well. You do not see that a lot, but the guys over at Azad have made this available. If you want something a little bit more flashy, something that kind of stands out, that is a great choice. Now, Audio City USA are leaders when it comes to fitting wheels to your F-150. We have a huge selection available. This set of 15 wheels are my favorite. However, we do have a variety that will fit depending on your taste and application. Go to our website, Audio City USA, and you can check out what we have. We also have expert guidance. If you're unsure about how a wheel's going to fit or maybe look, you can give us a call and talk to our fitment experts who will give you the right guidance when it comes to picking wheels. We have the best customer service. We ship nationwide, and we have the most competitive pricing. We will not be beaten on price when it comes to wheels. So I hope that kind of gives you an inside look at what you could do to your F-150. If you have more questions, like I said, give us a call or visit our website, AudioCityUSA.com. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. My name's Andy, and I'll see you guys soon.